No. The guy just trying to tell me good quality Rolex. What a nice car. How are you doing?
Please. Can take
Picture.
Yeah.
Hello guys, welcome in another video. I just arrived to Hong Kong and it was a long journey, so I'm gonna take a quick nap and then we're gonna explore the city together. So stay tuned, I'm gonna be back soon. Alright guys, so I just found a place where I'm gonna eat. Alright, then I'll have some tea or something. Coffee is fine. Yeah. Hot coffee is good, thank you very much. Alright guys, so this is how it looks inside. It's kind of Western style, I guess. I don't exactly. Oh, thank you very much. You're welcome. Are you YouTube? Yeah. Thank you. Does it work for here? No. Oh, no work. Sorry. No worries. Alright, so for lunch, I just ordered some stir-fried udon and beef meat with black pepper sauce. And I just got free coffee and free water as well. And the price for this was 47 Hong Kong dollars, which is, I'm gonna put it down, but I think it's around $6, more or less. And the restaurant is packed actually, like the whole Hong Kong. It's super full. It took me some time to find a place where I'm gonna eat, but what's the benefit of Hong Kong compared to China is that the whole menu is in English as well, so you actually know what you're ordering, you actually know what you're eating, compared to China where it was a bit of Russian roulette, you know, and sometimes you had no idea what you're ordering, and also it was a problem when you were ordering online because as some of you maybe know who've been traveling through Asia, the truth is that the photos of the food are many times different and totally different foods than what you're actually getting, you know. So I'm happy that finally this is a little bit nicer here in Hong Kong. Let's see what I'll get, but the restaurant is packed. It has nice reviews online, so I think food is gonna be great. Yeah, let's see when it comes. I'll enjoy my coffee now. Hello. Huh? Počkaj sekundu. Hello, how are you doing?
Please. Can take
Picture.
Yeah.
But,
Yeah.
together,
Yes. Okay, thank you.
Yeah,
You're a vlogger?
Sorry?
You're a vlogger?
Yeah, something like that.
What's your account?
I just started, to be honest, but I can give you my
It's
YouTube
okay,
so
I
you
will
can...
follow you.
Yeah, perfect.
In Facebook or Instagram?
Yeah,
Where?
Instagram is good,
Instagram.
yeah.
You're here in Hong Kong or where?
I'm just staying here for a couple of days, then I'm gonna be back in China.
Okay. What's your account?
Just give it to
Okay,
me, it's
yeah,
gonna
yeah.
be easier.
Yeah.
So people in Hong Kong, pretty cool as well. Sometimes they stop me and ask me about my YouTube channel. Usually what happens is they think I'm famous or something and they want to be on the video because they think it's gonna be like it's gonna have a lot of views and they're gonna be kind of on the viral video, but that's not happening. It's only have 30 followers so far, 30 subscribers, and right now I'm in the park of Hong Kong. It's in the center, it's very central, and basically what's interesting about this park is that Hong Kong is super packed, you know. Hong Kong is super packed. There's not much space to build, so everybody's building up, everybody's building to the sky, and sometimes in one building which has 50 floors you have like 10 hotels and 20 restaurants, a lot of shops, a lot of apartments. I'm gonna show you that later when I come back to my hotel. What's interesting about this park is that It's one of the few places where you can actually see green and where you just feel like where you feel a little bit of nature. I like the sound of the birds that are here. Hopefully you can see some, because I think they're gonna be pretty rare to see for me. Oh, there's a small McDonald's coffee shop. I never seen something like that before, to be honest. Here are some people on a bridge checking something out. Let's see. Oh yeah, I see them now. They're beautiful. Oh my god. This is the first time I see flamingo. Here they are. Right, so this is the first time I see flamingos up here. They're so beautiful. Look at that one standing up. Oh my god, it's so huge. Super crowded. And what's weird is it kind of reminds England. Kind of reminds me England. I don't know what makes this. Maybe it's the yellow lines on the road. It's definitely double deckers, that's for sure. But I don't know. It's a long time since I've been in England, but something just sparks this idea in my brain that this is England. I don't know. Maybe I'll figure it out a little bit later. To be honest, I don't even have idea where I'm going right now. My strategy is often just to follow the crowd and see where they go. Hoping. Oh, I'm sorry.
They gave him a son.
Oh my god, it is so crowded. Look at this. There are basically no rules about right and left. Walking on the sides. I think we are approaching the city center, and where I'm trying to get is actually I don't remember how it's called, but it's something like a place with a view, and it's on the coast, and you have handprints, I believe it's called handprints in English, of famous people from Hong Kong or from all around China. There should be a statue of most famous guy from the Hong Kong, most famous person from Hong Kong that the whole world knows. Maybe you know who I'm talking about, guys. And but if not, you're gonna find out soon. So look how packed it is. Just crazy. So many people. I actually expected that there's gonna be streets like this in China where there is over 1.5 billion people living, but no, China street were actually not that busy, like here in Hong Kong. I think Chinese people, they just love to shop. Hello. They love shopping because I've never seen so many stores in one place, you know. It's like basically there's nothing, just the malls around, like and shops to spend money. And I also think this is like the elite of China coming here for shopping and just to their expensive holiday. Look at this. No. The guy just trying to sell me good quality Rolex. It's funny that they still go for this thing, but it means that it still works and they can still find someone to fall for this. No, I don't believe that there's still somebody who might think that the watch is real. It's more about just buying a good quality fake watch. What a nice car. That's a beautiful BMW. Alright guys, we found something, and this is the Hong Kong Museum. I have no idea what is inside. Maybe I'll go there just to check it out if I have enough time. I'm not gonna do it today probably. Alright guys, so at the moment we're at the famous Avenue of Stars here in Hong Kong, the place that I mentioned. and we should find the, is it called handprints? I'm still not sure. The handprints of famous people from Hong Kong. And basically what they're trying to do is recreate the stars something in Hollywood. I don't know how it's called, I've never been there, never been a fan of that, since I know that there are almost just homeless people over there. But look at the view. This is amazing. It's pretty crowded. I think this is the peak since it's 2 a.m. on Sunday afternoon. But the view is amazing. No, this is good. No people. Oh my god, look at these apartments. This must be really expensive. This whole place is just a place to spend money. And a lot of money. But I always liked this kind of places because it's like, I don't see this everywhere, you know. This is not I mean, of course for some people this is their everyday life. But not for me, you know. I don't see something like this often. I can see this in Dubai. You can see this in almost any capital city of any country. But for some reason, Asians, they just have this weird, they make me feel this weird way that they just look super rich. I don't know why. Alright guys, so tomorrow my plan is to go over there. It's called Victoria Park, I believe. And there should be a tram, Victoria tram, that is here from the time where British people were still here, and it's pretty nice. Oh fuck. Alright guys, so there's one thing I wanted to show you, and it's this classical music that they are playing here in Hong Kong. I don't know if it's coming from Starbucks or it's coming from these buildings, but I actually noticed that even in China, at some of the metro stations, they were playing classical music as well, and it kind of makes your day better, you know. Makes you feel good, at least me, so just a fun fact, you know. Yeah, it just makes my day better, and also it makes a smile on my face every time I hear something like this, because for some reason I just like classical music. So it was just a fun fact, and let's continue. Let's find the statue of the most famous person. Alright, so we found it. Can you guess who it is? Well, let's check it out. I actually thought it's gonna be full of people, but not really. And yeah, you guessed it right, it's Bruce Lee. To be honest, I also didn't know that he's from Hong Kong. I guess they're pretty proud that he's from here, so just a nice memory of this guy. Alright guys, so I found this place. It's called Tibetan fast food. It's a small shop in the center of area where I'm living. And they have these cute tables, like it's the classic tables and plastic chairs of Asia. And they're not the smallest one, which is good. And this place, I'm actually surprised that it's so small. It was rated very, very good on Google Maps. It has over 2,000 reviews, and I think it's 4.8 or something like that, you know. So I never tried Tibetan food, to be honest. I asked for a recommendation from the owner, and he said that he'll surprise me and bring me something with chicken. He asked me if I like meat, and I said yes. So let's see what he's gonna bring to me. Alright guys, so this is my dinner. It was 52 Hong Kong dollars, which is 6 pounds, $6. And let's try it out. Some kind of dumplings, fried dumplings with chicken inside, and it tastes amazing. It tastes a little bit of ginger inside. It's a little bit of ginger and also potatoes. It's pretty good. Yeah, the meal was amazing. I had no idea that I'm gonna try Tibetan food here in Hong Kong, and it was amazing. Yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna actually try some Hong Kong food. I'll find out if there is some traditional food of Hong Kong and try it. Alright guys, I'm done with my dinner. It was amazing, and actually I was just thinking to try some Hong Kongese, I don't know how it's pronounced, food tomorrow, because I have no idea if they have some traditional food, but I'm sure they do have some. A couple of years back, 100 years ago, 70 years ago, basically after Second World War, there was many cultures and nationalities living here in Hong Kong. It's gonna be a mix of different cuisines, and what it means is that there are a lot of opportunities to try different food around the world. Like this one, Tibetan food, is the first time I tried it, and if you're gonna be in Hong Kong, I definitely recommend this restaurant. It's super cool. It's on budget, and I'm just gonna try out something new because I doubt you ever try Tibetan food. If you're gonna try Tibetan food, try it here. Alright guys, check this out. This is something I've never seen anywhere else I ever been. There's a street that is dedicated. It goes over there, but we just look at a couple of these places around here. This street is basically dedicated to fortune tellers. Here you can see down, you have different fortune tellers. Some of them use your hands, some of them use cards, and they have these pictures here which are supposed to be some, I don't know, famous people of Hong Kong, I guess, and it seems very popular. It seems like a lot of people here are into this, as Chinese are known for believing in different signs, you know, and they have all these like lucky numbers and unlucky numbers. For example, 8 is super lucky number. So usually when you have like Wi-Fi password, what they use is like your room number and a couple of 8s. Usually it's 5 8s, because I think 5 is no. 4 is a very unlucky number. They actually believe in this, you know. So when you have I'm actually curious if it's in Hong Kong as well, but I think it's a thing here too. But in China, when you have a building, you never have number 4. They always skip it, and they use 3 and 3A, or they just have for 3 and then for 5. So for 4 is always skipped, and I'm not sure why, but they actually really believe that number 4 is gonna bring you bad luck. So I've seen these basically everywhere when I was in China. There's never number 4 in the elevator. And also another thing what I believe in is that when you are born on, for example, 8th of August, which are 2 8s, you're very lucky and your life is gonna be good, something like that. I don't know. You got it.